Hey, do you have a boyfriend?
No. I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh cool. Are you seeing anyone?
Not at the moment. How about you?
Nah, I'm single too. Just curious, you know.
Yeah. I get it. No worries. So, what made you ask?
Oh, just wondering. Thought you might be taken.
Nah. I'm pretty much focused on work and friends right now.
That's cool. Same here, just taking it easy.
Yeah. Life's too short to stress over relationships all the time.
Totally agree. So, what do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy hiking, reading, and trying out new restaurants. How about you?
I'm into sports, gaming, and checking out live music. Maybe we should hang out sometime.
Yeah. That sounds like fun. Let me know when you're free.
Sure thing. I'll shoot you a message. Take care.
You too. See you around.
Be sure to subscribe for more videos.